Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install an aftermarket stereo to a 94 Geo Prism. Taking this old bad boy out of here. Every last bit of this has to come loose. And this has to be wired up to my aftermarket radio. I'll be showing you how to do that here in the next clip. Okay, here's what's in the box when you get your radio. Obviously, this is what it shows. Bluetooth, remote, and everything that it can possibly do. So, when you open the box, there's the stereo. Here's your remote, and here's your harness, which I would just call an adapter, and here's your instructions. And this is what you'll need to apply everything. And a pair of these to help clip these to your car's wiring harness right here. And this is the wiring harness that goes to a 94 Geo Prism and converts it to this stereo. And I'm going to show you how to take all of this apart right here and how to hook it up correctly. That way when it comes time to plug it in your car, it'll be real simple. Okay, now when you're doing this, you see how I got a lead right here. You can use this, which is basically a wire coupler, or you can use regular black tape and just twist these lines together with your line right here. Your call, however you want to do it. I would just prefer to use one of these, that way it's together and you don't have to worry about it later on, because, well, put it this way, tape will eventually melt if it gets too hot, and anything could go wrong at any point. So with this, all you do, just as you see what I'm doing right here, you take it, clamp it together like so, not too hard, and once it's clamped together, just like so. And then all you do is you feed it through the other line, and you do the very same thing on that side. And when you do that, then you're together. So to show you how this works, it's very simple. Just make sure your winding's tight. Go through like what I'm doing right there. Once you get this together, this is how it should look, and as you can see, it's on there pretty good. So it's not coming loose for any reason, but that's what I would do, because there's a metal clip on the inside of these that couples these two wires together, and it will make sure that this does not come apart. Whereas black electrical tape, if it melts, it'll be fine, but if the coating on it melts too much, then it could come apart if the wire was to ever become hot. Now this way, that would be almost nearly impossible. So this is what I would recommend to do. Now here's our aftermarket harness that we created. You know, this was ordered from eBay, and you can see we've hooked up everything like we showed you in an early video. We make the plug from the aftermarket. Here it is right here, and there it goes. See how it fits? Perfect fit. There, now it's hooked up, and all we got to do is just hook this part into the new aftermarket stereo. So the best thing to do is pull it through our adapter basically and install it, and then yeah, we'll be ready for the next step. Okay, I do now have it installed in my 94 Geo Prism, and yeah, as you can see, it's on. And as you can see, we are working.
Walk to the studio.
Sounds pretty good. And we are now in good shape. So now all we got to do is put the chassis back together to the dash, and I will have installed the XDM 16BT in my 94 Geo Prism.